Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing a reproducible environment. Create a virtualenv, pin Python packages, and clone the model repos. Once done, install a local ASR like Whisper and a neural TTS model. This gives you accurate transcription and natural speech. Make sure to test audio I/O early so drivers and codecs work. Next, acquire a small conversational model checkpoint and set it to run on CPU first to confirm behavior. Then move to GPU for speed. Once transcription is streaming, pipe short transcript bursts to your dialogue manager so responses stay timely. Keep context limited to recent turns to avoid token bloat. You should normalize text, strip filler, and tag intents where helpful. This improves reply relevance. Then call your language model via an API or local runtime, apply a safety and format filter, and hand the cleaned output to the TTS synthesizer. Finally, adjust pitch and speed parameters to produce natural pacing. To finish, containerize the pipeline and expose endpoints for microphone input and audio output so apps can connect. Once deployed, implement logging, user session tracking, and rate limits to protect resources. If things go wrong, check this key tip. If audio is garbled or delayed, verify sample rates and buffer sizes first. Mismatched rates cause dropouts, then confirm GPU memory and model batch sizes. Make incremental changes and test each component to isolate faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.